YouTube friends and family. It is the end of January, and I have my last Dollar Tree haul for the month. Sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. If you saw my last video about the disgusting Cheetos, I tried them. Even the lady in the store was trying to tell me they were good. My brother tried to tell me they were good. Them things was nasty to me. But she said they were selling out and people were buying them left and right. I just can't see it. To each his own. The things was nasty. So, this is the little small tiny Dollar Tree haul. I just saved some plastic, saved the bag, and told them to put it in this $5 bag I bought. I only spent 26 bucks on this haul. So that was one of the items. I had to buy me some real Cheetos. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And this brand has corn chips now. They have corn chips with very little ingredients, and there's no bioengineered clause on this bag of chips. So it says corn, vegetable oil, sunflower, safflower, corn, cottonseed, canola, and or rice oil. Never heard of rice oil. And salt. Boom. Cling, cling, cling. Cling, cling, cling. I spent $5, y'all. Another $5. So if you saw my short, I actually spent $10 on $5 products. That was the first for me. But I did it. I did it. I guess I need to get it framed. This needs to be adjusted just a tad, so y'all can see the mess. I'm still putting up stuff from the last two hauls, child. But that's why I say, let me get in here and do a video. I still got the $6 Amazon Benz haul and all that to show y'all too. I'm going to film that tonight too, so I'll be the same clothes in 2-3 videos. But I wanted to try this desk vacuum, since it is battery operated. I'll be sitting over there scratching tickets sometimes, so my Aunt Eaton and my desk may have a little crumbs. So I'm going to try this and see how it works. We'll see. More gadgets and junk. I did restock these. I really do like these. If you can't afford Preparation H, this might hold you over. If you know, you know. And then I got this. This is following that scent line of tea lights and room diffusers. And this is lavender and chamomile carpet sprinkle. So add that, even though cleaning supplies is not, but that's kind of somewhat a cleaning supply. And then I bought some more of this because I really do like this garlic and herb seasoning. Since we don't have the Kingsford brand or whatever that other brand we used to buy, this hits the bill, and it is salt-free, as you can see. And the ingredients are spot on. The only thing that's weird is tricalcium phosphate as anti-caking agent. So something to keep it from sticking. And also this. I don't know if you saw one of my other hauls, but I did buy the matching item for this little notebook. And I didn't catch on, so I walked past it and I walked back past it, and I hadn't caught on. But they actually sell the matching bag with the little notebook. So if you want to do a little small friend times or whatever the Valentine's for your friends are, you could make a little something out of this. That is so cute together. So basket makers, y'all better catch it. Y'all better catch it. You get the little pouch. And I don't know if it's some other things. If you see some other things following these patterns, it's like 4 or 5 different patterns. You better let us know in the comments. But I thought this was the coolest thing. So I have this pattern. I can't pull it out because it's mixed into all of this. But I know I bought this one already. And the pouch, I bought the pouch. Now I have and this one. And it was like 2 or 3 other patterns to follow. I thought this was the cutest thing. Go Dollar Tree. Go Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh. I was just so amazed. So even if you want to put it like in your Bible case or something like that, or send it with the kids for their little things they need to throw, put it in their book bag, and they have a little matching little notebook. That is so cool. So we have seeds again. I just bought seeds. They sit right here. But I only bought 8. Then they went up to the $1.25 for 4. So I got some big sunflowers. Don't know where I'm gonna put these things. I got some red cherry large fruited tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. And I got some African daisies. I want to try to grow these. I got some seeds, but I think once with flowers, once they get old, and they may not work. I got some beefsteak tomato seeds. Now we know we can grow like 8, 10, 12-year-old tomato seeds. Might only get 10, 20% germination, but you'll get a tomato out of a whole pack. Then I bought some onions. These need to be fresh. They need to be fresh. I bought some sugar baby watermelons, and they only give you about 6, 7, 8 seeds in here at best. So I bought some sugar baby watermelons. I bought some cilantro, and then some zinnias, some cactus style zinnias. So, I'm going to put them out there, and they're going to grow. Yes, they are. And I did do seed inventory. I'm buying seeds that I kind of know I don't have. So that's what we're doing. Then, of course, I grabbed this bag because I like the design. I love the design. Now, this would make the good cleaning caddy. And if I have time, I'm going to, put that up in the sky. The video where I turned this into a cleaning caddy and added Dollar Tree cleaning products. That's what you got. That's what you got. So then I thought this was the coolest thing. So I bought both of them from my store. This is a Q&A a day for travelers. It's 3 years worth of questions and answers. And it is it's dated, but it's not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or years. No years. And no days. So you can start this on any January 1st. And then go for 3 years. And that's what I like. Undated journals. There's no days. You can fill in the year yourself right there. So I bought both of these because these would make amazing gifts. And they feel very expensive. And let's peel off that sticker. This is the last item. So yeah, this is a little short 10-minute video. And okay, I bit my fingernails today, so let's see. Come on. Oh man, I can't see. Let's try the bottom. Oh man, hold up. I see something. Oh, that whole thing's coming off there. Hold up. It's hard to get this one off because it's taking off the other paper. But what I do see is, and I think I did pull this up and it's on Walmart.com right now. Okay, here it is. I'm guessing the first one is U.S. Oh, it is U.S. Look at here. I'm going to show y'all. Can y'all see that? It's $16.25 U.S. at the Dollar Tree. $16.25 U.S. at the Dollar Tree. Always check your book section. You never know what you're going to find. $16.25 U.S. at the Dollar Tree. So, I hope you like this little short Dollar Tree haul. Last one for January. As you can see, I might have spent $100 in a month there. It's going down from there. I'm getting a little more self-control when I go to Dollar Tree land. I got to. We got some things in the works. Cameraman, we still ain't getting a YouTube check. So if you are not subscribed, go on subscribe. Go on and watch a playlist or 2 or 3 or 4. Get my watch hours in, because I sure need a check from this. I really need a check from this. Because cameraman is 17. He's about to get his driver's license. And I pulled up an insurance quote. And I want to cry and go crawl under a rock and get him a bus pass. But he was crying because we had trouble at the DMV. He really wants to do it. And he's doing good. And I just think the one to take a toll off of me, because the bus didn't show up for 2 hours. They showed up 2 hours late today. I'm working. I can't come get you. You know, he got home before dark and got out of school at 3. And it's a mess here in my city. So, yeah, that insurance quote. Remember, I'm an agent. So I got to really, do the right thing. So I don't want nobody reporting me. So that insurance quote was off the chain. Could have bought a whole nother car for what I pay in 6 months in insurance. A whole nother used car. That's what I'm talking about. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help your girl out. Go watch the playlist. Go and watch all my garden playlists. Get you some garden ideas for the springtime or something. I do thank you so much for watching. And as always, prep and pray. Because I don't think I was prepared for this. But prep and pray. And plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.